Your phone keeps buzzing all day, even when you're not doing anything important. You could be working, resting, or just trying to think, and suddenly, buzz, another notification. At first, notifications were meant to help us. They were supposed to keep us informed, connected, and organized. But today, they do the opposite. They interrupt your focus. They break your concentration. They pull your attention away, again and again. Social media alerts, promotions, app updates, suggested, content you never asked for. And the worst part? Most people never change their notification settings. They simply accept the default setup. But here's something important to understand. Apps are not designed to protect your time. They're designed to grab your attention. The more you check your phone, the more time you spend inside the app. And that's exactly what they want. That's why your phone never feels quiet, even when nothing urgent is happening. But here's the truth. The problem is usually not one specific app. The real problem is how notifications are categorized and prioritized by your phone. Once you understand this system, controlling notifications becomes surprisingly simple. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Open your notification settings. Most people make the same mistake here. They either turn everything on, or they get frustrated and turn everything off randomly. Both approaches don't work long term. Instead of thinking in terms of apps, you need to think in terms of notification categories. Most apps don't send just one type of alert. They usually separate notifications into categories like messages, promotions, updates, suggestions, reminders, activity alerts. Not all notifications are equally important. Your goal is not to block everything. Your goal is to keep only what truly matters. Step 2. Identify essential notifications. Ask yourself one simple question. If I miss this notification, will it cause a real problem? Messages from family or work? Probably important. Security alerts or payment confirmations? Yes, keep those. But likes, follows, recommendations, and promotional offers? Those are rarely urgent. Go into each app and disable non-essential categories first. This single step already removes a huge amount of noise. Step 3. Turn off non-urgent notifications completely. Promotional alerts are designed to pull you back into the app, not to help you. Flash sales, trending posts, suggested videos, people you may know. They create urgency without real value. Turning them off doesn't mean you'll miss anything important. The content will still be there when you choose to open the app. You're simply switching from reactive to intentional usage. Step 4. Use silent notifications. Not every notification needs sound, vibration, or a pop-up. Some information is useful, but not urgent. For example, delivery updates, background app activity, system notifications. Set these to appear quietly in the notification tray. No sound, no vibration, no screen interruption. This way, the information is available but it doesn't steal your attention. Silence is a powerful filter. Step 5. Limit notifications by time. Even important notifications don't need to reach you all the time. That's where Do Not Disturb comes in. Set specific hours for focus, work, or rest. During these times, allow only calls or messages from important contacts. Block everything else automatically. Your phone should adapt to your schedule, not control it. This one habit alone can dramatically improve your focus and sleep quality. Step 6. Review notifications once a month. This step is often ignored but it's crucial. Apps update frequently, and after updates, notification settings can change. New categories may be enabled without you noticing. Once a month, take 5 minutes to review your notification list. Remove what you don't need. Adjust what feels unnecessary. Think of it as digital maintenance, like cleaning your workspace. After doing all this, something interesting happens. Your phone feels calmer. Your mind feels clearer. You stop reacting to every buzz and sound. You check your phone because you want to, not because it demands your attention. You regain control. And the best part? You don't need new apps, productivity hacks, or extreme digital detoxes. Just a few smart adjustments inside your existing settings can completely change how your phone feels. If you found this helpful and want more simple tech fixes like this, ways to make technology work for you, not against you, check out other videos on this channel. Your time matters. Protect it.